What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another Pokemon card opening video.
Hey guys!
Alright, Tyler. That's Tyler. As you can tell by the more feminine sounding voice. Feminine. Alright, we have 510 hourglasses. I'm pointing to the screen like you can see. Who gives a crap? We're opening! And we're eating Taco Bell. Okay. Let's look. We're looking. Ah! I see something in the end. There is something in the end. Here we go. Herdier. Driving it. Okay, by the way, already got the same card. Motherfucker. Stoutland. Claydol. Nice. We like it. We like it. Like the video right now for a cookie. Gladian.
You got Aura.
Woo! Ultra Beast. Naganadel. Alright.
Naga.
Hey, I'm not MAGA, bro. I'm
I'm
Naga. Okay.
Never America's great. Ever.
Okay, this Carvana. Baltoy. And Claydol. Oh, what? Double Claydol!
We were reverse. We won.
They're fucking me. Ooh, I like the Sandy Gas, Krokoroku, Electrical Cord. If I get another Claydol, I'm gonna crash out. Lose him mean. Emolga, he just farted. Good luck, fart! Ah! Good luck, fart! Guzzlord, and I'm gonna guzzle all over it, Guzzlord. Oh yeah. All right.
Okay.
Fuck girl. Sandy Gas. Oh, Crocodile! Ah! All right, pack number 7. Uh-oh. Ooh. It's a Mew! All right, 3 more packs. Pack number 8, Herdier. Beast War! Aggron. Oh,
I'm feeling a full art 1-star. That's what I'm feeling on pack 10.
Blaspheon.
It's gonna be
Phantom. Sandy Gas. Kartana and Medicham. Here it is, folks.
It's gonna be 4th of July.
Zebstrika. Ferocity.
For my birthday.
Luxio. Last pack Mojo. Like the video! It's a Pidgey! Oh yeah, my Pidgey kind of fat. Pidgey looked like me after I ate the Taco Bell. Thank you for watching.
Bye guys.